Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Would like to do a quick sound check. Okay, hopefully my sound screen is working. Okay, before we start. Okay, just a quick disclaimer over here for those who are watching or probably are watching through recording. This section we are not doing any buy and sell calls. So if you want to trade any stocks based on our discussion this morning, make sure you go on trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional. Okay. Now, yesterday we do talk about plantation. Okay, but looks like some of them actually do a pullback, but some still holding pretty well. I think still got opportunity for the plantation, and in the same time also, glove do show a little bit of excitement, especially on Hata and Kosa. Now, per se, I in top glove, hopefully today it actually makes some movement, which is currently they are testing the stubborn resistance. Okay, so I think this level over here is the immediate resistance. I think obviously because it tested several times. This is the first time, second time, and today is third time. Okay, so 1.10. Okay, is the current resistance. Okay, for Toggle. Let's say you're looking into short term. Of course, obviously, the main one should be somewhere around here and above. Okay, and followed by somewhere around 1.25. Okay, would be the main resistance for them to cross. But of course, PSA I entered I think around 1.06, 1.05 level. I think to auto should be quite good for me already. Okay, so this is something that I'm looking for for Tokyo for those who are following right now. Okay, let's do into Hata as well. Okay, we take a look into Hata and Kosan. Okay, before we go back into plantation again, because I think that plantation is still having some sort of like a opportunities there. Okay, so while Hata still doing pretty well. Okay, as long as yes, yesterday actually it closed with a shooting star, but today actually opened up higher. Of course, now still early 9:30 only. We still don't know yet towards the closing, but looks very strong right now. Volume also. Let's see the volume. Okay, volume not much so hopefully later the volume will pick up. Let's look into hourly chart. Okay, actually yesterday hourly chart got some pullback. Very nice. So okay, volume not too bad. Okay, considering right now is the first 30 minutes. Okay, I think so far it's pretty good in terms of the hourly chart. Okay, it looks like doing a pullback in hourly chart here. Okay, now last one probably we'll look into Kosan. Now do let me know any stocks, especially plantation growth counter you're looking into. Just type it over there. Then we'll start it together. Okay. So yesterday also, of course, the support resistance have been updated already. Yesterday the resistance somewhere around here. All right. So for me, crossing around 2.14. Okay, is a good level to monitor for Kosan as well. All right. So looks so far so good. Okay. Only Toggle looks like they are trying to cross the R14 today. All right. So let's look into some of those that smaller player in glove sectors. We have K plus. Okay, very big actually. Okay, probably not at this moment. Oh yeah, I forgot Supermax. Let's try Supermax. Supermax also big, probably chasing, okay, but not sure. But I prefer Toglev, Kosan, and Hata at this moment here. Okay, HLT. Okay, let's try this view. Okay, probably not. Okay, probably not. Okay, now let's look into some of the plantation stocks. Okay, if you got any question, just type it over there. Okay, then we will check that out as well. I will go into my pullback signal. Okay, let's look into my pullback signal later on. I just open up over here. Oh, Binasra coming back. Okay, I'll check Binasra. Okay, so here, Jatiasa, okay, yesterday still holding well. I guess it's still okay if you're still holding it, but unfortunately, I didn't enter for JTSA previously. If let's say they pull back to 1.2 level, I think it's a good area for me to pick up. Okay, so every time when they hit 20 MA, looks like a very strong rebound. Okay, best that they come with this so-called pullback signal or down strength signal. Okay, so they will make a so-called a continuation from here. Okay, so there's JTSA, R Sabit. R Sabit very close with the resistance actually. Okay, but will they cross? I think they cross already. This level over here. Of course, the next one will be here, 28. Okay, above 26, I think still fine. Okay, for our Sabit. All right. So for those that are here, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out. Okay, if you like my this morning section over here. Let's try Chupai. Okay. Chupai, yesterday also I tried to kill, but I cannot get. Okay, looks like no pullback for today as well. MSC. MSC as well. Okay, TH Plant. Okay, TH Plant also very strong. Still no pullback from here. Okay, never mind. Later I'll pullback, check out whether got pullback or not today. Okay, so well, let's see any pullback stocks from today. Okay, Gabuda actually makes some movement now, but very fast they actually started to sell off already. Okay, so need to be careful a bit. I think because this is due to the news, right? The other day they got another project for data center again. This morning make a big gap, but it immediately do some profit taking. Okay, so normally when you see this kind of more profit taking in the early morning, especially when they are going into this trend already, most likely they'll retest back 20-40 seconds or maybe make a deeper wash, okay, before they continue again. So probably want to watch on that. Okay, yep. Aventa. Okay, will it move together with all the glove? Okay, but looks like the trend is a bit weak. Okay, no for me. Binasra. Okay, Binasra actually trend is still good. Okay, probably I try Binasra today. Here actually got one strength signal. Okay, over here. Okay, so probably you can use here 1.4 as your main support level. Okay, for Binasra. Okay, any others that is interesting today? Jax. Okay. Jax, not too good for me, the trend. I think today mostly is the Gamuda is making some movement, but very fast. Oh, this one actually pretty nice closing yesterday. Okay, but here is the resistance that you need to consider. Okay, but from 2 ringgit to 2 ringgit 20 also got 10%. Okay, if let's say we test back to 2 ringgit, I think it's good. Okay, this is a bit similar like pullback. Previously over here also got loss of so-called the strength signal. Okay, at the support level. All right, so let's look into XIFU apps over here. This morning nothing much. Pestec, CIPB, Yongtai, Tafi. Tafi yesterday closing. KSSC, HWGB. Okay, let's try HWGB. Not so good also. Hexstar, HPPHB. Okay, let's try. Okay. Oh, gap up. Okay, gap up. But this stock a bit illiquid. Okay, again, for those who don't know, actually can use XIFU apps over here. I'm not sure whether you can see it or not. Go under the stock idea column. Okay, you can actually check the so-called the potential pullback signal. Okay, so this is actually how I pick up. Okay, I pick up some of the pullback stocks from here. HPPHB, yes, is doing pullback. Okay, but gap up this morning with 4% plus ready right now. Okay, both to monitor, but just this stock sometimes a bit illiquid. So what I'm trying to say is that setup is good, but sometimes setup is a bit difficult, this kind of counters. Okay, Hubsing also appeared yesterday in my pullback list. Okay, let's see. Okay, looking good. Looks like we tested pure support. This is a bit similar like shake up already. Okay, hopefully they can cross back to 1.10 area. Mercury, Kialim. Okay, Destiny is coming back. EMAS Pro, I think it's low volume counters. Okay, let's try Destiny. Okay, some of the counter actually appear to look into it also. I mean, you need to do your own filtering. Like for example, for me, I will look for counters with active volume. Okay, some counter without active volume, most of the time I will skip. Okay, Destiny I think is okay. Yes, we got several sounds actually coming up, but this one also a bit similar HPPHB. Sometimes got volume, sometimes no volume. So this kind of counter, if you trade, you need to be patient. Okay, because sometimes it's a bit difficult to sell actually. Okay, Scam Move. I think Scam Move is okay. Sita Global is coming also. Okay, again, some of the list from yesterday. Yesterday, I think, yeah, Kim Lun is pretty nice. Let's try Kim Lun again. But Kim Lun has been going up with some pullback for several times already. Okay. Kim Lun today, pullback or not? Still no transaction yet. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, we have Zcon. Okay, let's look at Kim Long again. Oh, is this suspended this morning? Okay. Or no transaction at all. Okay, let me check Kim Long. Okay, yeah. No transaction yet. Okay. Or maybe suspended again. Later need to check. But so far it looks very good. Okay. This is like a nice building reaccumulation with shakeout. Loss of strength signal. Okay, at the bottom here. Yeah. Again, stubborn resistance at 2.50. So once break 2.50 above, I think we'll see a very good trend. Okay. Morning, Alex. Okay, again, do let me know any counters you want me to look into. I think I almost finish up against a slightly boring market. All right, but compared to last week, I think much better. Okay, because at least the plantation is moving, the palm oil is moving. Glove has some movement, a small movement this morning. Okay, even though nothing exciting but at least something for us to look into Personally, I also in Solar West as well. Okay, let's turn into Solar West again. Okay, 1.6 I think would be good for me to do a little bit of top up. Actually, I'm waiting for 1.6 so to do a little bit of top up. Okay, now let's turn into LX counter AGX and Simpro. Okay. Okay, AGX, right? You try to keep short term, Alex. I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit, but if you're looking for entry, of course, support around this area over here, 50 cents area, okay, for you to so-called monitor for potential entry. Outro area is for the resistance, okay? Now, against, I say this kind of counters, right, AGX, right? Because you got this one, okay? So normally you got this counters, this kind of so-called candles, right? The resistance is very, very, very stubborn already, very difficult for them to cross. All right, so try to play along with the range. Okay, don't unless you tell me that okay, you're looking for long term, like you buy hold, you're okay to hold for 6 months down the road. Okay, because I think I shared previously also, like for example, I think VLB, if I'm mistaken. Okay, BLB actually I'm still interested, but until this candle, notice here a bit similar AGX, right? So what happens is that now it looks like they are doing a shakeout. So sometimes when the resistance is too strong, potentially they will do a shakeout. Now the other one is I think MTech. MTech also, this candle here. Okay, a bit similar AJ also. High volume shooting star, right? It goes up, drop, white candle, and high volume. So sometimes yes, it will drag sideways for months. Okay, so if you are interested in AGX, if you are looking for long term, you have to expect this. Short term, you try to play along with the range. Okay, so if let's say break support, need to trouble because it's going to drag you for some times one. Okay, now let's do the steam prop last one before we close. Okay, unless you got anything, you just let me know comments below. Now, so far, Simprop, Massing, both of them looks very similar. Not very strong tight in terms of setups, but at least they are still holding well as support. Okay, so for example, over here, we got a gap previously. Again, gap actually can use as a support resistance. So anything trading above is a good sign. So for me, yes, this is like a big shakeout over here. Still holding well. Okay, still holding well against. Do remember when your counters, like for example, this kind of counter steam prop and all the previous DC team counters, they've been going up like crazy already. Some 100%, some 200%, some 300%. I think this is more than that. Okay, so this whenever this happens, reaccumulation takes times. Okay, which is sideways takes time. Probably something that will take around a year plus before they go into the trend. So if you are looking for long-term one, okay, they are doing a reaccumulation right now. Okay, weekly chart still holding on 20 MA. Okay, but need a bit patient. Okay, if you are aiming for higher prices. Okay, so now let's into Massing. Massing also actually is the same thing. Currently these two I see is a bit similar. Okay, so here gaps. Okay, most of the time they are trading above right now. Okay, so it looks like they are holding well. Okay, but again, PST because the trend is too strong already. So strong trend, yeah, it needs some time, okay, to do reaccumulation. Okay, so yeah, this is my opinion on Simprop as well. So well, long term, I think fine. Okay, but don't expect a similar movement again in this so-called few months. I think this one will probably drag for another 3-6 months down the road. Okay, welcome Alex. Hopefully I'm wrong. Okay, so let's look into FA. In terms of FA, okay, I think they are good. Okay, FA wise, so FA wise again for those that who don't know, my analyzer divided into two. This is the TA part, technical analysis. This is the FA parts. Okay, so Simprop 7 out of 9, so it's a good FA category. Okay, TA wise, is 4/10, 3.6/10, so which means it's not trending right now. All right, so trend wise need to hold. Okay. All right, so let's say there's no questions, I will end my section this morning. So again, as usual, thank you for joining me. Okay, if you like my section, help me to click the like button, help me to share this also. We can have more viewers moving forwards. We have Telegram. Join my Telegram for more daily discussions. Okay, and then see you again tomorrow. Thank you.